What's up, everybody? I've been checking out some awesome synth projects and people's setups as a whole, but was super inspired by this next rack. It's from a company called Synths and Wood out of the UK. They've got an awesome eBay store and a website featuring all their products, but they're a little out of my price range / locale. Got a bunch of equipment, definitely need a better setup, so I was thinking, put myself together a little rack myself. So I did some drawing, figured I definitely need an 8-inch rise on the back, went into SketchUp and started designing something that would suffice my needs. Ended up with something that looked like this. Next I needed to create my circuit for my Teensy so that my clock output from MIDI could sync my pocket operator. Ended up with something like this. So then got to the arduous process of laying out, drilling, cutting, general fabrication for the frame. A lot of looking at my drawing. Thank goodness I printed something out for reference. So after I cut it all, got it all put together, washed it, used some stainless steel wool to polish it up, put it all together, and it looks like this in all its glory. But wait, it's not quite finished. Definitely have some work to do on the MIDI clock function. I've got NeoPixels set up so that they change randomly to a color palette using a noise pattern, which is pretty fun.